In the given system of equations, t is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of t? So we can just start solving these two equations by elimination. So we'll multiply both sides of the second equation by -2. So on the left-hand side, we'll have -2ty, and then on the right-hand side, we'll have -1 minus 4x. And we'll just add that to the first equation. But we'll just reverse this so that the x terms cancel out. So we'll have 10y plus 2 equals 4x minus 6y. This is just the first equation here. So then on the left hand side, we'll just have 10y plus 2 minus 2ty, which equals -1, and then 4x minus 4x is just 0, and then we'll be left with -6y. Okay, and then in order for this system of equations to have no solutions, then we need to simplify down the elimination until we get an incorrect equation, or an equation that cannot be true. And in order to get that here, we need to somehow cancel out these y terms. So we can cancel out these y terms by setting t to some value such that 10y minus 2ty equals -6y. Because if this equaled -6y, then we would just cancel out the two -6y's, and we'd be left with an equation that says 2 equals -1, which is false, and that means the system has no solution. So we can solve for y here. So -2ty equals, after we move the -10y to the other side, we'll get -16y. Then we can cancel out the y here to get -2t equals -16. So then t has to equal 8. So if we plug this back into our original equation here, we'll see that 10y plus 2 minus 16y equals -1 minus 6y. So then 10y minus 16y is equal to -6y, and there's a 2 here, equals -1 minus 6y. And then since -6y is on both sides, we can cancel those out, and we'll just be left with 2 equals -1, which is obviously false. So for a t value of 8, this system of equations has no solution. So the answer is 8.